What's going on, everyone, and welcome back. Are you tired of carrying around bulky electrical testers that take up too much space in your tool bag? You are watching Best Product. Today, we are taking a close look at the best digital pen-type multimeter to help you handle electrical tasks with ease. Let's get started. Here we have the ZLLJ Meter ZL113B digital pen-type multimeter. Designed to combine pure convenience with serious precision, this device is a fantastic addition to any toolbox or workshop. When we talk about electrical tools, they are often bulky, heavy, and complicated to operate, but the ZLLJ Meter ZL113B changes that entirely. It is carefully engineered to give you all the standard testing capabilities you would expect from a full-size device, but in a much more streamlined and attractive package. Whether you are a seasoned technician, a passionate hobbyist, or just someone who likes doing their own home repairs, this device makes gathering electrical readings simple and stress-free. Let us talk about its overall shape and physical footprint first. The pen-style form factor is a massive advantage because it masterfully combines portability with exceptional functionality. Instead of holding a large square block in one hand and juggling two separate testing probes in the other, you get a highly accurate measurement tool that operates just like a simple writing pen. You can get precise electrical readings without dealing with the heavy bulk of traditional multimeters. It features a wonderfully lightweight and portable design, complete with a highly practical pocket clip. This means you can clip the ZLLJ Meter ZL113B directly to your shirt pocket, your pants, or a tight slot in your tool belt. It allows you to carry it effortlessly and access it quickly for any on-the-go testing you might encounter during the day. It ensures that essential electrical diagnostics are always within reach without weighing you down. One of the absolute most convenient features of the ZLLJ Meter ZL113B digital pen-type multimeter is its built-in USB rechargeable battery. Many traditional multimeters run on standard alkaline batteries, which always seem to die right when you need to use the tool the most. Instead of constantly buying, storing, and replacing old batteries, you can simply plug this smart device into any standard USB charging block, a portable power bank, or even your car charger to juice it back up. This entirely eliminates a lot of frustration and ensures you always have ready-to-use performance whenever a sudden job comes up. This smart rechargeable design keeps it incredibly dependable for both quick home fixes and professional daily use. It is a modern solution that saves you time, saves you money, and completely reduces unnecessary battery waste over the years. Moving on to how you actually read your results, this device really shines in the visual department. The ZLLJ Meter ZL113B features a highly capable 4,000 count digital display. Having a 4,000 count screen means the multimeter delivers precise, high-resolution, and highly reliable readings across a wide range of common electrical measurements. Whether you are checking voltage, measuring current, or testing resistance, the numbers are presented clearly and accurately on the screen. To make things even better for the user, the display is beautifully enhanced with a brilliant dual-color backlight. This bright and vibrant screen provides clear visibility under all kinds of challenging lighting conditions. Whether you are working outside in the bright glaring daylight or trying to inspect complicated wiring in a very dimly lit basement or dark garage, reading your measurements is always straightforward, safe, and completely clear. Speaking of safety, that is always a huge priority when working with any kind of electricity, and the ZLLJ Meter ZL113B digital pen-type multimeter has you completely covered. It comes perfectly equipped with a highly responsive live line detection feature built right into the system. This highly important safety feature enables you to test active voltages securely, significantly reducing the risk of any dangerous or accidental shocks while you work. It gives you incredible peace of mind by letting you know exactly which wires are live and hot before you even start working on them. It truly represents a beautiful balance of modern design, smart digital functionality, and highly practical safety features. By removing the hassle of thick tangled wires and large plastic casings, this amazing pen multimeter ensures that your testing experience is efficient and secure from start to finish. Are you ready to upgrade your electrical toolkit with something much more portable, modern, and highly efficient? Check the price link in the description to get one for yourself today. Like and subscribe to Best Product to stay updated on all the newest and greatest gear. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Stay safe on your upcoming projects, and we will see you in the next video.